How to fix Airbnb cannot cancel reservation. First of all, launch the Airbnb application onto your device, then log into your account. Once you've logged in, tap on this Trips tab from the bottom navigation bar to access or to enter your reservation dashboard. From here, scroll down to the management options and click or tap the cancel reservation option. From there, you must select a specific region from the drop-down menu and click through the final confirmation screen until you receive a cancellation email receipt. And this is how you can fix Airbnb cannot cancel reservation. Sometimes the technical errors might also stop you from canceling any of these reservations. So what you want to do is, if the mobile application fails, you simply have to launch your device's browser, then head to the Airbnb website. Once you're here, go ahead and log into your account, and once again head to the trips option, find that exact trip and proceed to cancel it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.